is a partial ocean view 2 queen at the Hyatt Regency Maui. We have the 2 queen beds. Really nice feature is the luggage storage underneath. The TV and a desk and the reusable water bottles. A really beautiful view in this particular room because you can see the West Maui Mountains, but there also is a partial ocean view. Some seating on the balcony. Have the West Maui Mountains on the left and then the ocean on your right. This room is about 400 square feet. You can connect it to a partial ocean view king. There is a mini fridge as well as a Keurig. 2 sinks in the bathroom and then a separate toilet and shower area. It also has a bathtub. We have storage, safe.